Smart Transfer Ultimate Guide: How to Clone Data from Android to Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can clone data from Android to Android using the Smart Transfer app, which is completely free, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So you can download this app from your Play Store over here, which is called Smart Transfer. You open it up and then just give it all the necessary permission that the application requires. So you can tap and continue, and then you can just go ahead and then choose to also skip this processes. Now here you can see every sort of options here. Now depending on what you want to send, whether you want to send the network information or contacts or storage manager, declutter your phone or whatever else it is, you can just go ahead and then select those options. So depending on what is it, you can just tap the clone option here, tap and continue whether you're trying to send or receive. So from your primary phone you tap on send, on your another phone you tap and receive, you connect using the QR code, and then all the data will get successfully transferred. This way you can basically use the Smart Transfer app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.